International Drift Cartel. I don't know how international they actually are, but they've got some nice cars. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty cool. So this is an S13. Looks like he's using the hood from an S15, but with the S13 Chuki bumper. Kind of gives it like a angry headlights look. BMW. Oh, check this out. This has seen some use. All the switchboard there. All the fuses open. God damn, look at the angle on this thing. That's not stock. Probably using the E36 control arms. Something custom. Jesus. And we got a Toyota truck with a turbo. Okay. Oh gosh, I forgot the engine. I think this is the 22RE. These are actually pretty popular in a turbo. What's up, dude? Is this yours?
Yes, sir.
Nice. What is it, 22RE?
No, it's a 2RZ.
A 2RZ.
2.4 dual cam.
A 2.4 dual cam. Okay, I'm not familiar with that. I know that some of the
Yeah, the 22R was on the previous model.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, the 95 and under, they weren't even a Tacoma. They were just Toyota pickups.
Oh yeah, that's right. They didn't even give it a name until like the
95.5.
Was technically the second gen, I guess, or third gen.
First gen. It's a first gen Tacoma.
First gen Tacoma.
First generation of the Tacoma.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you. This is my daily.
Are you daily this thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh damn. So it must be. So I guess you had a focus on reliability then.
Yeah, it's got cold AC. It's got 234,000 miles on it. It's manual.
No rebuild?
No.
Wow.
It's got a 6-puck clutch in it. Cold AC. Yeah.
Toyota reliability, man.
This is my baby.
With AC.
I have other cars like I got a 300.
So the intercooler, and the intercooler's on the outside of the car.
It didn't fit very well.
Goes back in through the inside and through the MAF into the. So much power are you making?
I just finished this setup 3 days ago.
Okay.
It was on a T25 turbo with a different turbo setup that I built. So I have not dynoed it. It's got bigger injectors and blah blah blah, but it's on 10 pounds and it moves.
Damn. So 10 pounds of boost on that turbo. What's the stock horsepower?
140.
140? You're probably around 220, I guess.
More than that.
You think so? 250?
Well, I know someone else with the same engine.
Yeah.
Who ran a T25 on 10 pounds and he made 231 or like 234.
Okay.
This and T25s don't flow that much, obviously.
Yeah, it's a T25.
This turbo flows almost double that. It's good for like 490 at the flywheel. It's a GT30, so.
Okay. So at 10 pounds, you're.
It probably makes like 260 to 270.
Okay.
I mean, maybe.
Either way, it's a pretty light truck, so.
Maybe, yeah. I think it's like 3,400.
3,400 pounds?
33.
Yeah, that's about the same as like a modern car, if you think about it. So, yeah, that'll move.
Yeah, it's got 31-inch tires on it, so that doesn't help. But it's fun. It's fun to drive. It's fun in the sand, like on dirt.
4-wheel drive?
No. Two-wheel drive.
2-wheel drive?
Yeah.
You can make this like a trophy truck.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. That's kind of what I wanted. Something to like rip through the sand in.
Like you can be like the guys in Dubai and Saudi Arabia. They hook up like 1,000 horsepower Nissan Patrols.
Kinda. Yeah, I mean.
And rip through sand dunes.
Dude, the only thing what's really expensive for these is the kind of suspension that you need for that. Like really good coilovers, like reservoir coilovers, like $5,000-$6,000 for a good set. So.
Oh dang.
Yeah, and so yeah, for now, I just try to have some fun with it. I have this is a 2RZ and it's a 2.4. I have a 3RZ also, and that's a 2.7. And I'm gonna swap that in. And I also have a W58 from a Supra.
Oh,
it's
cool.
gonna go with that on this turbo setup.
Awesome, man.
What was your name?
My name's David. Cool truck, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
All right, let's check some more cars out, and then we'll head out. So, we got a Miata drift car. There we go. Puppy. Hello. Any Miata.
Yeah,
Nice, dude.
the 1990 1.6.
What roll bar do you have here?
Not sure it came with the car, but it's a bolt-on style.
Okay, yeah, a lot of them are bolted.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It
So
goes
you
to
got
the floor though.
And you have no problem with the glass.
Nah, it's all broken. It's like shredded apart over here. But you know what? Change it.
Drift car.
Drift car.
Drift car.
Gotta let it run.
Hey, puppy. Real nice. You got the D-Max style.
Yeah.
Dude, this looks tiny. This is probably off of a 240 SX style, right?
Yeah, it's just because the car's so small.
Dude, it looks normal on a 240. It looks huge on the Miata.
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh, jeez. And look at this thing. I like this. Another NA. It's got a rally style wing mirror. So you can get it. There you go. That's cool. Evo 10. Back up a little. Evo 10. Got an R32. It's like a project drift car, perhaps. Oh, got some rust. Uh-oh. We have an R33. There you go. Is this? Yeah, it's an R33. Single turbo conversion. Oh, there's all lineup of Skylines here. There's R32, R32. So this is another 32, and oh, hey, check this out. It's a TI. So BMW used to make a version of the E36 called the 318 Ti. And oh, this one's all gutted. So the 318 Ti was something like 300 pounds lighter. Wow. So essentially, this is the front end from the door forward is an E36. The rear end is the Ti, and the suspension is actually from the E30. So it makes it, and because the rear end is lighter, it makes it really, really tail happy. So, oh, cool. You don't see these around anymore. It's really popular because the front end is all E36. You can actually just swap in the 6-cylinder engine from the 328 or M3. So it's pretty popular to make these into like M3 Ti's. Alright, so it's one thing to have an S15, and it's something else entirely to have an S15 with a wide body and a 2J swap. And judging from the manifold and the engraving that's on it, LZGT, this must be Adam LZ's car. So, what do we got? ATI super damper, single turbo. Not a huge turbo, but probably an efficient one. Let's see, going through here, through the giant intercooler. Holy shit. And then going through here into the manifold. I'm guessing they must have had the radiator relocated to the rear. And it's got, let's see, BC Racing suspension, all kinds of cool stuff, and a completely tubed front end. And what's going on back here? Is there a radiator back here? Yes, there is. Right there, there's a radiator alongside the fuel cell. Really, really sick car. I like this thing. It's kind of like a, must be some kind of flap or something to direct air into the radiator. And it's right-hand drive, of course. Beautiful. All right, so now I'm gonna run upstairs and have some food. Woo! Oh, we got options. Okay, I think I'll sit here. I like it because the table looks orange. Yeah, it's orange. Alright guys, well that's it for today. So, I'm not sure if you noticed, but that was actually chicken and French toast. So when I went in, I was like, well, you guys have chicken and waffles, and you guys have French toast. Can I get chicken and French toast? And they did that for me. That's pretty awesome. So anyway, back at the car, I'm gonna head off to Universal, have some fun there, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out finishlinefactory.com, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.